Hi, my name's Anson Bui, and I am a senior trial attorney at Cohn and Swartzon. We do personal injury law here. How do we make sure that your case is going to be strong from the start with a strong foundation? Well, we make sure that we're doing everything possible to make sure that, for one thing, evidence is going to be available for us to use later on. And I know this is kind of like a weird thing to talk about because you think like, oh, why wouldn't it be available? There are certain circumstances where evidence is there initially, but then over time it's going to be gone. Let's just take, for example, let's say you were involved in a car accident and just on that street corner there was surveillance video from a gas station and it caught it on camera. And so the way that surveillance video works for most places is that they're going to record, and once it fills up the memory, it's going to loop over and record over existing data. So if you don't go and get that data and get that video, it's not going to be available later on. So one of the things that we do in the beginning of the cases is if we need to work to preserve evidence so that we can use it later on, then that's something that we'll do. And that's something that lay people may not know. Like if you're handling your own case and you just assume that evidence is just going to be available to you, well, that's not the case. You have to collect things and make sure that you're creating a strong foundation in case you have to litigate this case later on and you need to produce these things during discovery and therefore use it during trial. You'll have those items later on. So it's very important that you speak with an attorney so that they can handle that process, because it can be very tricky to get that surveillance video, or it could be very tricky to talk to the insurance adjuster and let them know, hey, don't get rid of that car. I need to download the black box or the EDR data from that car before you get rid of it and ship it overseas. You know, if you don't do that in a timely manner, that evidence is going to be gone. And so if that's something that's very important and significant for your case and now it's gone, your case is blown. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Anson Bui. I'm a senior trial attorney at Cohn and Swartzon. Please reach out to us if you have any car accidents or if you suffer a personal injury. We're here to help you.